Hey everyone, Martin here. Today we're installing these 3W liners floor mats in my 2022 Jeep Gladiator. Just continuing with accessorizing and making it a better daily driver before I do some of the bigger mods that I have planned. I bought my Gladiator used and it didn't come with any floor mats, even though that was on the original build sheet, so I don't know what happened to them. The cheap floor mats I got off Amazon, not super impressed with, so I'm excited to install these. Here are the interior mats. They are a very good, easily cleanable material. I really like the tire tread design on them. It looks very off-road and it fits the Jeep theme. It wasn't very sunny, pretty overcast, but I like to let them sit out for a while and take shape after sitting in a box and shipping. Here, they also sent me the truck bed liner. So this is super nice because I don't have a truck bed coating and I like to protect the paint to what degree that I can, and they have built-in magnets. So it goes in just like this and it sticks and it doesn't move because of the magnets, which is a really smart design. This cheap one from Amazon did not have that. It had like tape and was actually really annoying to deal with and pretty heavy. This is a lighter material and it seems like it'll be a lot easier to clean and it'll actually stay down with the magnets. There you can see it snapping into place. I'll leave this open, leave it in the sun a little bit to take the proper shape of the bed. So far, happy with how it looks and performs. The attention to detail here is great as far as shape, and the magnets are a nice touch. Alright, moving on to the interior. This is where I spend most of my time, what my feet are going to be touching the most. Quick safety card. Definitely good things to keep in mind when installing. Here are the cheap Amazon ones. They did click in as well, but they're a very stiff material and hard to clean. Here I'm vacuuming, but I never claimed to be an auto detailer. I could have done a better job, but that vacuum also sucks, and not in a good way. But here you can see the new liners. They have the clips that line up in the back, so the floor mat's not going to come flying up, and it just sits in here just like that. Click it into place, and it looks great. I'm really happy with how that looks, the coverage, and how it'll actually hold the dirt. So here it is installed, and then with the aftermarket dead pedal I have as well. You can see the old rubber mat kind of is chalky and got grayed out over time, and it's only been 2 months. The dirt really gets trapped in there, but the 3W liner is a high density TPE surface. It's 100% waterproof and stain resistant, and it just looks better. It's a better material. Alright, and the same thing for the install on the passenger side. Take the old mat out, vacuum, and then put the new 3W floor liners in. And they just slide right in, snap in, and we're good to go. Looks great, just like the driver's side. And moving to the rear, I put the seats all the way forward just to have more room. We can take a look at the old style mat that I had in here. It's the cheap Amazon mat. Again, coverage wasn't bad, but fitment wasn't great. And of course, it's a different material. Here we can see the seat slammers I installed from Desert Does It. It gives me a little bit more headroom by lowering the seat 1.5 inches, I believe, just so I have a little bit more headroom and fit in the Jeep a little bit better. But either way, it'll be compatible with either floor mats. So this rear floor mat is coming out, and now I face the realities of having an almost 4-year-old. All the other stuff that's in the vehicle. After a quick vacuum, I found this discontinued coin called a penny. So now I am 1 cent richer. The rear mat is going in just like this, kind of from back to front, just slide it in. This was a tight fit, but I expected it to be just because of the coverage that it provides. This is an exact shape and then more, so it's going to be tight to get in there, but once I lined up the clip in the front and the little knob in the back, just kind of, line everything up, make sure it all fits, and then this extra portion of the mat can be tucked under the seat storage. So then you have a nice clean protected area, and it looks great back here. I really do like that off-road tire tread design. That looks super cool. And just like that, the 3W liner floor mats are installed in the Gladiator. Side note, the air fresheners they include in the package smell really good. It's the white tea smell. Nice little touch. Everything's really well thought out with this company, including the cardboard boxes. You can make a little rocking horse, so I might have to do that for my daughter. Long term, I think these are going to hold up great. They don't impede with anything. They're going to be easy to clean. I actually had this same brand way back in my Scion XB, and they were great as well. Very affordable, and I recommend them. So if you're viewing this video and you're interested in grabbing a set of these, right now there's a sale on the 3W site. This is being recorded in April 2026. It's their Easter Jeep Safari sale, I believe, that's coming up. And then right now there's the Moab sale. So Moab 2026, you can get up to 30% off. You can buy these on Amazon, but you're only going to get 15 to 20% off. So if you go to their website, now that you know that through this video, you can grab the set you saw in my video with 30% off. And they have it for Wranglers, Gladiators, all different types of vehicles. As you can see, head over to the website, use this code, and you can get 30% off, which is a great deal because these are well thought out, well designed, well made. I definitely recommend them for your vehicle.
So with all that being said, I want to say thank you for watching. Definitely check out the link below. And as always, keep those wheels turning.